complex fraction. A lot of singing might hear a bit of that too. So it's a complex fraction. So I've got a fraction on the top and I have a fraction on the bottom. An easy way to simplify them is to multiply by a common denominator. So I look at yz and I look at z. So yz, the factors for that would just be y times z, and z, just the factor would be z. So a common factor has to include each factor the most number of times it occurs in one factorization. So I need a y and I need a z. So I'm going to multiply this top fraction by yz, and since they're fractions, I'll say over 1. And then on the bottom, I'll do the same thing, yz over 1. Okay, so on the top one, the yz's cancel, because one's on the top, one's on the bottom. So I'm just left with y squared minus z squared on the top. Over, on the bottom, the z's cancel, and so I'm left with y minus z from here, and then there's a y there, and I'll just put it up front. Feeling pretty good at this point. I'd probably give you 3 out of 5 at this point. On top, that's a difference of squares. So I can factor that into y, z, z. One's minus, one's plus. On the bottom, I have a y and a y minus z. So you see the y minus z's now cancel. So my final answer is going to be y plus z over y. I'd like to try and cancel these two y's, but I can't because that y up top is anchored with that positive sign. So I can't cancel those. So this would be my final answer.